Hey guys, I just wanted to make a video to show my first computer build. The case is a Raidmax Smilodon case. It's a mid-tower case. As you can see, it has some nice blue LED lights on the front. When you open up the front panel, you get access to the drives. There's 4 drive bays for your CD-ROM drives. There's a nice 120mm fan on the front, directing air into the case. Okay, on the side panel is really cool because it uses a latch-based system. It's not a screw system, so it's screwless. So you can just open up the latch and upgrade any parts you want. It's really fast, convenient. There's 2 side fans. This side fan here is directing air off of the CPU cooler, and this side fan over here is directing air onto the GPU. I tried reversing this one so it directs air off of the GPU, but it wasn't as effective, so I switched it back. Okay, I'm just going to try to take off the latch over here with one hand. See if I can do it. There we go. Okay, so on the inside, we've got a ZALMAN CNPS 9700 cooler on the processor, which is an AMD Phenom 2 X4 940 Black Edition processor, quad core, running at 3 GHz. I did overclock it to 3.6 GHz without any voltage changes, and it ran smoothly, but I don't need that much speed. It's already pretty fast. Let's see. We've got a 120mm fan on the back, directing air out of the case. This case originally came with a 500-watt power supply, but I swapped that out for a 650-watt power supply from Corsair, and it runs really good, stable. It's not modular, but it does the trick. Let's see, I got a Gigabyte motherboard over here. I don't know if you can see that. I forgot the model number for it, but I'll write it in the description or something. I think the North Bridge is a 790GX, which makes this an AMD Dragon platform, I guess. 2 sticks of DDR2 RAM, each one 2 GB for a total of 4 GB from G.SKILL. Runs great. Graphics card. Let's see. Well, first the side panel. I'm gonna take off the side panel. You can remove it completely from these hinges, but you just take it off regular. So take off the side panel. This is the graphics card right here. It's a Sapphire Radeon HD 4870, 1 GB of GDDR5 RAM, not GDDR3, which is good. Runs really well. Runs Crisis smoothly. Very good graphics card. Hard drives. Let's see. I've got 2 hard drives. They're not in RAID or anything, but maybe in the future I'll put them in RAID. You can buy some other hard drives. But anyway, the first hard drive is a Western Digital 320 GB. I'm running Linux Ubuntu on that. Second one is a Western Digital Caviar Black, 640 GB. I'm running Windows Vista Ultimate Edition on that one. They both run really well. Let's see, missing anything else? No, that's about it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the side panel back on, hopefully with one hand. Someone will take some pressure. There we go. Alright. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, it's a pretty convenient side panel. Very nice case to work with. And actually the computer is really fast. I just wanted to show some of the benefits of this computer. Well, let me see. I'm just going to try to run some programs here. I'm going to run Adobe Photoshop. Let's see how fast it starts up. CS4, 64-bit. Clicked on it. Boom. It's open that quickly. Very fast processor. Knows what it's doing. If you open up any regular browser, like Firefox, click on it. Boom. It's open. It's almost like instantaneous computing with this. Very nice. Let's see. Show off the quad core over here. When you open up Task Manager, you got the 4 cores right here. Very nice. Almost 0 utilization on them. Very good case. So yeah, that's my conclusion. I hope you enjoyed my presentation for my first computer build. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I'll check them out. Thanks.